So now I'll put the adapters on my Golf. Because I want to put more copper paste, but the next time when I remove them, things don't stick. I would also put the paste in the nut so that it doesn't stick inside if I have to remove it next time. Not a good idea. Paste is on the wheels. I was thinking if I should tighten the spacer a bit more. I will buy the what is it called? Torque wrench soon. And star pattern. It's important to put the copper paste so that they don't stick, and next time they are easy to open. So I think this one is a bit out. I wasn't expecting this, but yeah, it's 15 and 225. So hopefully, nah, this can touch the wall, which is not a good sign. The wheel is a bit out. If it goes straight up, this can hit here. Let's see, because I'm planning to put the coilovers, and with coilovers I want to make it like this, like here. Yeah. So it's the spacers or adapters 20 millimeters that they are out, but I didn't have the option. If I want to, I can use the 500 rims, which are maybe not this wide. It's a bit out. Let's see. I'll put the all four, see how they look.